get you outside on this 4th of July holiday. We're taking a live look from our mousetrap camera. It's a lot going on this holiday weekend. Callie Zanandrie has a look at the forecast. Good morning, Callie.
Hey, good morning to you. Happy 4th. Yeah, from barbecues to pool parties. So much happening today. And it is hazy out there on this Saturday morning. From our Lookout Mountain camera, you can see that smoke very thick throughout the Denver metro area. And we're expecting that to be the case throughout much of the day. We'll start to see conditions improve slightly, the smoke not going away completely, but later this evening, especially the North Denver metro area, we'll see that heavier smoke shift to the south. Through the day tomorrow, we're expecting the heavier smoke through the central and southern mountains, but here in the Denver metro area, not nearly as smoky compared to today. Not going away again, but less haze out there. Air quality alerts remain in place for portions of the central and southern mountains due to that wildfire smoke. And we are seeing calmer conditions this morning. Some wind gusts around 20 to 30 miles per hour out across southeast Colorado, but otherwise we are calm here across the Denver metro area. Overall today, we are expecting less wind, not only here in the Front Range, but really statewide. It'll still be breezy, especially out across the eastern plains, but we're not going to see those strong wind gusts compared to earlier this week. Gusts today will be right around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Front Range futurecast, we do have the potential for some showers and thunderstorms. Those will start to develop along the foothills later this afternoon by about 2 o'clock, pushing off across the I-25 corridor and eastern plains as we go through the afternoon and evening hours, lingering through about 9 o'clock tonight. Before those clear out, we're looking at gradual clearing overnight and into tomorrow morning. Plenty of sunshine. Risk of severe weather today does include the threat of large hail as well as damaging wind right here in the Denver metro area. We're at that level 2 threat, and we're expecting those storms to gain strength as they push out across the eastern plains, where we do have the potential to see baseball-sized hail with a handful of these storms. Fire weather outlook for today, first day in more than a week that we don't have red flag warnings posted. We see higher humidity levels today thanks to that moisture moving in, and the winds not as gusty, but we still have the potential for dry lightning. That's why we still have fire weather concerns through portions of the northern, central, and southern mountains on this Saturday. Temperatures, they stay in the upper 80s and 90s across the plains, 70s and 80s up in the high country, and 90s blanketing the western slope. Here in the city, 92 for a high on the 4th of July, and then overnight some relief from the heat heads our way. 30s and 40s up high, and across the plains and the western slope, temperatures fall to the 50s and 60s overnight. And then tomorrow, another toasty day on tap. We'll stay in the low to mid 90s here across the metro area. Super 7-day forecast tomorrow, another chance for a few showers in the afternoon, and then we stay on the warm side through this week. Highs will be in the 90s, Kennedy, but look at that. Tuesday and Wednesday, we have a 30 to 40% chance to see some more showers develop, but temperatures climb as we go through next weekend. By next Sunday, we're looking at 97 degrees, even hotter weather heads our way, but great to see that moisture finally back in the forecast. Ooh.